Good morning all. So today we will start with basal ganglia. So this basal ganglia, these are nothing but the scattered masses of gray matter which are submerged in subcortical substance of cerebral hemisphere. So these are the masses of gray matter which are merged in the cerebral cortex. So this basal ganglia, they form a part of extrapyramidal system which is concerned with motor activities. The components of basal ganglia mainly include three components. One is corpus striatum, second one is substantia nigra, and third is subthalamic nucleus of light. These are the three components of basal ganglia. The first one is corpus striatum. So this corpus striatum is also a mass of gray matter which is situated at the base of cerebral hemispheres in close relation to thalamus. Corpus striatum is incompletely divided into two parts by internal capsule, that is caudate nucleus and lenticular nucleus. Then the next one is substantia nigra. Substantia nigra is situated below red nucleus. It is made up of large pigmented and small non-pigmented cells. The pigment contains high quantity of iron. The third component of basal ganglia is subthalamic nucleus of light. This subthalamic nucleus, it is situated lateral to red nucleus and dorsal to substantia nigra. The next one is about the functions of basal ganglia. The first function of basal ganglia is control of muscle tone. So as basal ganglia is included in the extrapyramidal system, so one of the important function of basal ganglia is to control the muscle tone. In fact, gamma motor neurons of spinal cord, they are responsible for the development of tone in the muscle. Basal ganglia decreases the muscle tone by inhibiting gamma motor neurons. And the second function is control of motor activity. Basal ganglia controls motor activity. It regulates voluntary movements. Movements during voluntary motor activity, they are initiated mainly by the cerebral cortex, and these movements are controlled by basal ganglia. And the second one is regulation of conscious movements. Fibers between cerebral cortex and caudate nucleus, they are concerned with regulation of conscious movements. This function of basal ganglia is also known as the cognitive control of activity. For example, when a stray dog barks at a man, immediately the person understands the situation, turns away and starts running. So this is the regulation of conscious movement. Then third function is regulation of subconscious movements. It also regulates subconscious movements. The cortical fibers which are reaching putamen are directly concerned with regulation of some subconscious movements which take place during trained motor activities, that is skilled activities such as writing the learnt alphabet, paper cutting, nail hammering, etc. Then the next function of basal ganglia is control of reflex muscular activity. Some reflex muscular activities, particularly visual and labyrinthine reflexes, they are important in maintaining the posture and equilibrium. Basal ganglia are responsible for the coordination and integration of impulses for these reflex activities. And the next function is control of automatic associated movements. Automatic associated movements are the movements in the body which take place along with some motor activities. The examples are the swinging of the arms while walking, appropriate facial expressions while talking or doing any work. Basal ganglia are responsible for the automatic associated movements. Then the next function is basal ganglia also has got a role in arousal mechanism. This globus pallidus and red nucleus, they are involved in arousal mechanism because they are connected with reticular formation. Any lesion in this globus pallidus, it causes drowsiness leading into sleep. Then the last function of basal ganglia is it has got a role, the role of neurotransmitters in the functions of basal ganglia. Functions of basal ganglia on motor activities are executed by some neurotransmitters which are released by nerve endings. within basal ganglia. Following are the neurotransmitters which are released in basal ganglia. Like dopamine is released in basal ganglia, GABA, that is gamma aminobutyric acid, acetylcholine, substance P, enkephalins, noradrenaline, and glutamic acid. So these are the neurotransmitters which are released here in the basal ganglia. So this is about the